I'm going out to get my favorite drink, and this is the bag I'm taking. Hummingbird Park is stuffed to the brim, and I have my emergency bag, which I will be doing a video showing you guys how I stuff my bag with all of my emergency stuff. And this is Lemon Grove. You know they got chocolate banana, and they got these new ones.
I bought.
It is literally been about to storm. We literally have to get home. So I made it back home. The purses really didn't get wet because it wasn't really raining. And I left this one in the car. But I got this one for my hubby. Clean off my lens. I got this one for my hubby. This is like his favorite one. It's called Guava Goddess. And then I got two of these. One for two of my kids to split, and then one for me. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this crazy video. I thought I'd do like a mini vlog. And yeah, I work for Amazon now, so check the links if you want sweets for your bag. If you're into video games, I have stuff for you. Just check in the description box. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you on the next video.